Elon Musk has clarified that Tesla currently has the option to purchase the Austin, Texas land for its Cybertruck Gigafactory, about which I reported this morning. The statesman of Austin also reported, but so far Musk has stated that the electric car maker has not exercised it. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com with some breaking news. There is a finally update from Elon Musk about Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory outside of Austin. Please subscribe to our channel if you are here first time, because we're reporting every news that is about Cybertruck Terafactory and everything related to Tesla and electric cars. Teslarati this afternoon reported that Tesla has acquired a 2,100-acre plot of land 12 miles outside of Austin in what could be the home to its upcoming Cybertruck production facility, the Cybertruck Gigafactory. But later this afternoon, Elon Musk tweeted writing, quote, "Tesla has an option to purchase this land, but has not exercised it." An application from the Texas Comptroller's office describes Tesla's plans to develop and design a high-tech electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Travis County. This provides a strong indicator that Tesla has chosen Texas to be the home of its next electric vehicle production facility. The application states, quote, "Tesla Incorporation is evaluating the possible development, design, and construction of a high-tech electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Travis County within the Austin Green property located at the intersection of SH 130 and Harold Green Road. Attached is an exhibit that shows the planned layout of the facility on the site and is subject to confidentiality assertions above." End of the quote. According to documents, the plant will ultimately comprise a 4 to 5 million square foot manufacturing plant, the Cybertruck Gigafactory. Construction timing is still to be determined, but anticipated to be sometime over the next 2-3 years pending required approvals. Tesla apparently purchased the land for $5,298,275. Documents from the state of Texas indicate, but like I said, Tesla did not purchase the land. Elon says we have the opportunity to purchase it, but we have not exercised yet. That means we can exercise anytime, or we may not exercise it. The documents also indicates the construction will begin in the third quarter of 2020, pending required approval from the state of Texas. All indications until this point has led to Tesla utilizing the Lone Star State for the next and possibly largest production facility to date, the Cybertruck, some people call it Terafactory. In January, CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, tested the waters to see if Texas was the appropriate location for its next factory via Twitter poll. The results were overwhelmingly positive, with 80% of the 305,724 participants in the survey being in favor of Giga Texas. The production facility will be Tesla's 5th production facility behind Gigafactory Nevada, Gigafactory New York, Gigafactory Shanghai, and Gigafactory Berlin. It will be the 4th electric vehicle production facility behind the Fremont factory, Shanghai, and Berlin. The facility, the Gigafactory of the Cybertruck Gigafactory, will likely produce the Tesla Cybertruck along with the Model Y crossover. The production of the Cybertruck's dual and tri-motor variants is expected to begin in late 2021. With the Cybertruck's production date scheduled for late next year, Giga Texas could operate much like Giga Shanghai, which started vehicle production activities as soon as the first phase of the plant was completed. In Shanghai, Tesla is completing the second phase of the facility, which will build the Model Y crossover. This strategy will likely be implemented in Texas to keep Cybertruck production on schedule as much as possible. And it looks like this strategy is also being utilized in Giga Berlin, where Tesla is utilizing the 90 hectares of 300-hectare land. Musk's indication of Texas being Tesla's new home has finally come to fruition. After hinting for months that Texas would ultimately be the location for the electric automaker's new facility for months, documents indicate that Tesla will begin construction in the third quarter of 2020 and could be cranking out electric vehicles as soon as 2021. But a decision should come very soon if Tesla wants to stick to its late 2020 timeline to start production of the Cybertruck. The first models will be the most powerful tri-motor Cybertruck variants. More affordable and less powerful models will start production in 2022, according to the company. Now, I was looking at some of the comments you have posted in our previous story, and also I've gathered some comments from the other discussions on the net. Yakona23 says, "This is it. I don't think that Tesla cares that much about saving $68 million in school property taxes. I get the feeling that they want a very large land area, plus they want to be in the best possible location to attract talented engineers. They must have decided that they could attract the best and most engineers in the Austin area versus Tulsa or some other place. I know that Tesla has been very disappointed with how difficult it is to attract enough great engineers to the Giga Nevada location." Another person says, "I live in this area, and the Haro, Texas area site seems to be better fit for someone uninformed or incentivizes and whatnot. This location is actually kind of difficult to access, and there's currently a massive lane widening project going for SH 130, where it's a big traffic jam a lot of time." Another people say, "This is a massive, large property." And now imagine, Giga Austin is 2,100 acres, 12 miles to Austin. Giga Shanghai is 210 acres, 46 miles to Shanghai. Giga Berlin is 740 acres, 38 miles to Berlin from Brandenburg. Fremont Factory is 370 acres. And Giga Nevada used to be 1,000. Now they added, since I think 2015, they added 1,864 acres, or altogether would be the biggest 2,864 acres in Giga Nevada. But note, this property is 10 times larger than Giga Shanghai. I mean, the Giga Austin property is 10 times larger than Giga Shanghai and 6 times larger than Fremont Factory. I see the Terafactory coming. This will not be one factory, but a campus. I assume it will be a campus of large Tesla factories. By the way, if you look at some of the pictures here, you will see that this Cybertruck Terafactory is about the size of Austin's International Airport. This is a huge piece of land for Terafactory to be built electric pickup trucks. By the way, regarding Giga Nevada, which is now 2,864 acres of land, people say it is difficult for Tesla to exploit their property in Nevada because of the lack of local labor. However, perhaps there is always potential to set up a Tesla city, buy cheap land, bring in everything you need, have workers and their families live there. What do you think about that? Is that possible for Giga Nevada? I think it depends how the battery business goes. People who are familiar with the location say this is an amazing location. Located right at an exit of 130, the only highway in the greater Austin area without bad traffic, that's what they say, and with 85 miles per hour speed limit, it's closer to downtown. It's only 20 minutes away from the downtown. Then I thought they would be able to find available, that's the Tesla that found available land. That's great. It's only 8 minutes from the airport, and the Haro, Texas land, which was the runner-up to Giga Nevada, is about 30 minutes away from the airport. Now, I think this is one of the reasons Tesla is focusing on this land rather than the land in Haro, Texas, which is about 30 minutes away from the city. This land off the highway 130 is right outside of the city. Now, look at the price. Tesla paid about $47 million for Giga Berlin, but this huge land, which is twice more than the land at Giga Berlin, is only about $5.3 million. $5 million for 2,000 acres, 10 acres for $25,000? Is it me or is it just stealing? $5 million for 2,100 acres, that's not much. And that road is planned right in the middle of it. That could be either very convenient or pain in the planning. Same for that narrow part sticking out of the northeast. Could Tesla also move its headquarters to Austin? What do you think? For example, one of the first things that came to my mind was that what if Tesla uses the left side of the road closer to the airport as its headquarters, and the right side, the bigger area for its Terafactory, for its Cybertruck and Model Y crossover assemblies? I don't know. What do you think? Do you think Tesla may move its headquarters to Austin as well? Now, this was literally, I think, the Giga Texas was literally set in stone the day Elon Musk made that first tweet teasing Giga Texas. It isn't stealing. They are taking pretty much worthless land. There is almost nothing on the land at all currently, if you look at the map. Land near the place is going to skyrocket in value. However, speaking of that, Giga Berlin didn't have anything in the land as well. It was forest. In fact, Tesla had to fell the forest. It had to level the ground and do a lot of work, but it was for almost $50 million land. Here, it's twice more and only $5 million land. I don't understand. What do you think about this? Tesla also needs a proper Gigafactory in the US. Fremont doesn't work apparently anymore. They had to use tents to feed lines in the way they wanted them to feed. They want a standard Gigafactory, so exactly what is in Shanghai and will be in Germany. They want to standardize all their factories. Remember, from the start, Gigafactories were always meant to be a product in themselves. But for now, while this land is a real possibility as a Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory for a Giga Texas, let's keep in mind the most important part. Elon Musk has clarified that Tesla currently has the option to purchase the Austin, Texas land. But so far, Musk has stated that the electric car maker has not exercised it. Will Tesla exercise its option and buy this land? I believe so. I am inclined to say so. But in earlier this morning's report, I also stated, according to Tesla Austin statesman, that Tesla is still looking at a site and sites, multiple sites in Tulsa area. And we don't know what the offers are coming from there, what the incentives are coming there. But now there's just more news, more concrete information. And Elon just tweeted saying that we have this option to buy this land, but we have not yet exercised it. I don't know when they will exercise. I will not be surprised if the Gigafactory, the Cybertruck Gigafactory ends up being somewhere else, in Tulsa or somewhere else. But we'll see. Everything is now favoring Austin. I'm not very much familiar with Tulsa. Tulsa did a great job putting Tulsa on the map of the US, and a lot of people will be looking there as opportunities. I will not be surprised if a lot of companies move to Tulsa area, even if Tesla doesn't move. But now I think Tesla will find qualified workers because of the university in Austin area, more engineers than probably in Tulsa. I may be mistaken, and no offense to people in Tulsa, but I don't know. What do you think about this, friends? In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know what you think, friends. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it in social media. That will help me tremendously. And we'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other. Take good care of your families. And see you in the next report. Stay safe, friends.